Greetings, my drinking buddies. Today we are talking about Topo Chico Twist of Lime. Why are we talking about Topo Chico Twist of Lime? Because I think this is one of the best sparkling mineral waters around, and I think it makes excellent cocktails. This is a sparkling mineral water from Monterrey, Mexico, and if you've ever been to Texas, it's in like every convenience store across the state. So let's get to making a couple cocktails with it. First up, I'm going to make the Caribbean Cruise. This, of course, is an original, and we're going to fill up a glass with crushed ice. We're going to add in half an ounce of orgeat first. Then we're going to add in an ounce of orange juice and an ounce of pineapple juice. Next up is a half ounce of passion fruit juice. And then we're going to do an ounce and a half of rum. Half an ounce of maraschino liqueur. And as you know, I love this stuff, so you'll probably be seeing it in a lot of videos. And then lastly, a half ounce of coconut rum. Gonna give it a little stir. Gonna garnish it with some fruit. Use whatever you feel like. I have some kiwi, some maraschino cherry, and some lime. And now we're going to top it with some Topo Chico. All right, Caribbean Cruise. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. That is quite good. Super refreshing. It's extra sweet. The maraschino really comes through nicely, and as you know, I love maraschino, so. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a really approachable drink. I feel like you could serve this to someone who is a casual drinker who doesn't really care for the taste of alcohol, but just likes a nice, sweet, fun drink, because you can't really tell that there's alcohol in this. Yeah, this is a winner. Make this one at home. All right, drinking buddies. Now we're gonna do a twist on the classic cocktail, the Paloma. So this is your drinking buddy's version of a Paloma. Now, a Paloma is usually made with tequila and grapefruit soda. We're gonna make a twist on grapefruit soda by combining some grapefruit simple syrup. This is equal parts grapefruit and sugar. And I got 2 ounces here. We're gonna do 2 ounces of tequila. I'm gonna do a couple dashes of grapefruit bitters. You can buy grapefruit bitters at most liquor stores, but I make my own. And I do so by combining the zest from one grapefruit, the zest from one lime, coriander, Himalayan pink salt, and sage. And I let that soak in a mason jar for a couple weeks. Then I filter it out and put it in one of these nice little reused hot sauce bottles so I can drop it in. All right, let's give this a shake. All right, so we have a chilled glass from the freezer. We're going to strain it in there. We're going to top it with some Topo Chico, but not all the way to the top, because we have something very special for the top. We're going to top it with some añejo tequila. This is going to be a little float we're going to do on top. Today I'm using Manic Extra Añejo. It's a little more than a bar spoon on top. Let's give it a taste. All right, so we have your drinking buddy's version of a Paloma. Cheers. Oh yeah. It's funny how much this tastes like honey when there's no honey in it. But I find that that particular tequila has a nice honey flavor to it, the Manic. So this is refreshing. It's got just enough carbonation. It's balanced because of the bitterness and the sourness from the grapefruit. But it's still very sweet. I wanted to make it almost like a soda would be. 2 ounces of simple syrup is a lot, but you got to figure when you're drinking a soda, it's probably, you know, a ratio of about that to how much soda water you're putting in. Yeah, this is a really well-balanced, very sweet cocktail, but that also has a lot of character to it. I recommend it. All right, so our last Topo Chico cocktail is going to be a Cucumber Chico Smash. Of course, this is another original, but we're going to begin by throwing in 6 slices of cucumber into our tin and 2 lime wedges. We're going to muddle that. This is going to be a really nice fresh cocktail. You're going to love it. Next, I'm going to add in some ice. I'm going to do 2 ounces of rum. 1 ounce of peach-infused gin. That is one that we've made on this channel before. Links in the description. Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of rosemary-infused simple syrup. So to make rosemary infused simple syrup, you're going to do equal parts sugar and water, put some fresh rosemary in there, and heat it up. I use the microwave most of the time. This one, sometimes I make on the stovetop, but it's a lot easier to make in the microwave. Rosemary infused simple syrup, and we're going to shake. Broke my seal. All right. Let's go ahead and retrieve a chilled glass from the freezer. Chilled glass from the freezer, and we're going to go ahead and double strain this guy. There's a lot of pulp in this, so the straining process may be a tad bit tedious. Not bad at all, actually. Garnish with a couple cucumbers. And top with Topo Chico. Cucumber Chico Smash. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, that's pretty refreshing. This is a really good summer drink for me to be making in November. It's got a lot of fresh flavor, lime, cucumber. The peach comes through ever so slightly. Rosemary's there. There's a lot going on here, but it all goes well really together. It almost tastes like a white wine spritzer, and I don't mean that as an insult. It's better than a white wine spritzer, but that's almost what it tastes like. Yeah, this is a really fun, really tasty, fresh cocktail you can make at home. And that has been my Topo Chico Special. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little alarm bell and it'll tell you whenever I post a new video. Have a great day.